Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yolanda Mutiara and I am student of management at Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia. My student ID number 224110055. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic in accounting: factor influencing and ethical decision making and in accounting practice. This topic is crucial because account most often make choices that involve honest integrity and responsibility. The way they make decisions can have a big impact on a company, investor, and the public. Let's explore this topic in depth. Alright, what is ethical decision making in accounting? Ethical decision making in the process of choosing actions that are morally and legally right. In accounting, this means acting with integrity, transparency, and fairness. Accountants have access to incentive, financial information, and their job is to record, report, and analyze this information accurately and honestly. If they make unethical decisions, it can lead to fraud, loss of trust, and even legal consequences. So ethical decision making is not just about following rules, it's about doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Okay, next, why ethical decision matter in accounting. Accounting helps stakeholders like investor, creditor, and the government make decisions based on financial report. If those reports are false or misleading, many people can be harmed. For example, if a company report higher profit than it actually earned, investors may buy more stock later. When the truth is revealed, the stock price may crash. That's why ethics in accounting is essential for protecting the public. Ethical decision making builds trust, improve company reputation, and prevent legal problems. Okay, next, the main factor influencing ethical decision making. Now let's discuss the most important part, the factor that influence ethical decision in accounting. Let's break them down one by one. 1. Personal value and morality. Personal value come from family, culture, religion, and life experience. They shape how we judge right and wrong. If an account values honesty and fairness, they are more likely to resist pressure to commit fraud or manipulative data. But if they are more concerned about pleasing their boss or making money, they might make unilateral choice. Example: an accountant who was raised with strong moral principles may refuse to fake revenue number even if it means losing their job. 2. Professional code of ethics. Accountants follow a professional code of ethics. For example, the International Federation of Accountants atau disingkat IFAC has 5 key principles: integrity, objective, professional competence, confidentiality, professional behavior. Okay, these rules help accounts stay ethical. They are a good when facing difficult choice. Example, if a client asks you to hide the laws, the code of ethics reminds you that transparency is more important than profit. Okay, next, organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to the value, attitude, and behavior that are shared in a workplace. If the company promotes honesty and punishes unethical behavior, employees are more likely to act ethically. But if the company rewards those who break the rules to get results, ethical behavior becomes harder. Example, a company with a strong whistleblower policy instructs employees to report unethical behavior. Okay, next, leadership and management influence. Leaders set the tone for organization. If the manager and executive act actually, their teams will likely do the same. On the other hand, if the leadership or pressure employees to bend the rules, it becomes harder to stay ethical. Example, a CEO who say, always follow the rules even if we lose money. So, a strong ethical commitment. Laws and government regulations. Laws also play a big role. Accounts must follow tax laws, account standards, and financial reporting rules. Violating these law is not only unethical but also illegal. Being aware of the legal requirement helps accountants make better decisions. Example, manipulating numbers to pay less tax might seem like a smart trick, but it's actually tax evasion and a crime. Okay, next, peer pressure and social influence. Coverage and peers can influence your decision. If others around you act unethically, you may feel pressure to do the same. That's why important to surround yourself with ethical people and speak up when something seems wrong. Example, if a team member say, just cover up this error, it's no big deal, you need to stand firm on your value. Okay, next, rewards and punish. Ethical is reward, people will be more ethical, but if unethical action bring benefit, people like be tempted to break the rules. Example, a company that gives bonus for honesty and accuracy will encourage better ethical behavior. Okay, next, real world example and case discussion. Let's imagine a real world scenario. You are account in company. Your manager asks you to change the number in a financial report to make it look like the company made more profit. You now have two choices: say yes and help the company lead, and say no and possibly lose your job. How do you decide? You think about your personal value, that code of ethics, the law, and your responsibility To the public, the ethical choice is to say no even if it is hard. Okay, next, how to improve ethical decision making. To become better at making ethical decision, accounting. I'm sorry. Batuk. Accountants should take a training, stay updated with accounting laws, join professional organization, discuss with mentor or colleagues, speak up against unusual behavior, making ethical decisions take correct knowledge and practices. So, to summarize, ethical decision making in accounting is influenced by many factors: personal value, personal ethics, company culture, leadership, laws, peer pressure, and reward system. As future professional, we must that ethics is not just a theory; it's something we apply in real life, even when no one is watching. Doing the right thing matters. Okay, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Yolanda Mutiara, management student from Universitas Teknokulit Indonesia. See you in the video.